Finished our breakfast and I don't know what we're doing next, but yeah, it's our third day in Bohol. So we will go to Hinagdanan Cave, and as what I have read in the internet, it's a clear cave. Wait, let me search about it. English. Good morning once again, and we're now nag-check out na kami sa hotel namin. Tapos papunta na kami sa Hinagdanan Cave, and my face, no makeup face, and bagong ligo face, and wala lang. And hayaan nyo na yung mukha ko, napapagod ako mag-makeup ngayon kasi wala lang. Papahingayin natin yung flash natin. Let's be confident. Okay? Bye! Wala dati, lift good yung chin mo, good. Okay, we have arrived at the entrance of Hinagdanan Cave, and we're now going inside. Let's go!
Okay, hinahin na pag-log nyo sa lahat.
Mauna ka na. Ikaw na. Okay lang.
Ma'am, sideways lang taas. Eh, ano na ba, may ibang look eh, bagong products, ma'am. Ba't na lang sa tumulok, isdagol na ba, dire na patog na ba, ma'am? Nainay, or ma'am, labang walk going down. Ma'am, lalong na siya sunod. Okay, chest up, watch your head, watch me web, and watch me nainay. Ma'am, ulo. Ano nga ni dire?
So we just finished with the Hinagdanan Cave, and now we're going to the Virgin Island to inquire about their island hopping, ano tawag yan? Na mga
Dolphin watching.
Island hopping, dolphin watching, and many more activities that we can do tomorrow, maybe bukas pa. Want to go to the Hinagdanan Cave, meron silang mga volunteer guides na you can pay any amount or like parang tip na ibigay mo sa kanila, and they're fun. Kung Bisaya kayo and mga Tagalog, you can communicate well with them and enjoy lang kahit mainit sa loob. Pero maganda yung water kasi clear and makikita mo talaga yung lalim niya, and pwedeng maligo doon. Same lang entrance. May additional lang na fee, pero yung entrance fee sa Hinagdanan Cave is 50 pesos per head, so it's very affordable. Hey guys, so now we're here at the Panglao Church, and we're just taking photos because it's very Instagrammable, and that wall too is very Instagrammable, and this lamp too is very Instagrammable. So yeah, we're just exploring Panglao Island here in Bohol, and that's their bell tower right there, and this is the church. Granaw pag uwi ko ng Jinsan. Jansen. General Santos City. May feeling talaga ako. Masyadong mainit dito. We're here inside the mall and we're ang tag yan? Nag-iisip kami kung saan kami kakain. Gusto ni Daddy ng unli, pero baka maubusan kami ng pera. Hindi na kami makauwi. We are here at the Prawn Farm inside the Island City Mall. So meron silang buffet from Friday to Sunday only. So ngayon is Tuesday. So hindi kami naka-avail ng buffet. Yun sana yung plano namin kunin, pero wala. So mag-order sila kami ng gulay and some seafoods. Pakbet. Pinakbet dito. Daddy, nag-move talaga siya. Amazing.
Meters, turn left onto Beinding Street.
We are now going to the Tagbilaran port to buy ticket for the barge yun, di ba to? For the barko pauwing Cagayan on Saturday night. So kakatapos lang namin kumain and bumili ng rush guards and shoes for the island. Ha? Para sa island hopping bukas. Bakit mo pinakain? Ano? Hey guys, so we transferred hotel and yung hotel namin kahapon is andyan lang. That one. Tapos nag-transfer kami sa tabi niya hotel. Wala lang, share ko na lang din kasi mas malapit yung dagat dito. So we're staying here and mag-island hopping kami bukas. After island hopping, I don't know.
Oye muñeca, ya mueve la cadera sobre el ritmo.
Hi! Come inside. Come. You faster. So, when you enter, you'll see this TV, which is Samsung. Then, here we have the Wi-Fi router. Then, the, what do you call this? The remote controls and all. Then, come here. Here we have the mirror for the beauty, where you can do your makeup. And here we have this wall decor, which is a palm leaf something. Then here we have our bed. Hindi ko alam saan na matutulog ngayon kasi dalawa lang. Pero let's go here sa ating...
May extra.
May extra. There we have these lights. And here we have this upuan where you can choose your clothes while sitting. Merting ilaw. You can choose your clothes while sitting here. Then we have our CR. 10. It's very big. So you can take your time while showering, but it is wet. I don't know what why it is wet. And we have the toilet, the lavabo, and the mirror here. and shower, of course. And we have, I cannot read. We have liquid soap and liquid shampoo for free. So that's it for the room tour. Bye. Go!